I hope you recognize that you are perfect for such a time as this. Your life story, your journey, what you've come through and what you're on your way to perfectly prepares you to be a part of Project Happiness. See, if your life is anything like mine, then there's been a time where you had to say, I choose to be happy no matter what. I choose to be joyful no matter what. I choose to love no matter what. I choose to forgive no matter what. I choose to say yes to me and to the universe no matter what. You are the perfect person for such a time as this, for such a project as this. You are the beacon of light that illuminates those around you. And I'm happy to be in this journey with you as your sister in prosperity and possibility.